Ever wondered what exactly happens when sugar melts away in a cup of water? It seems like a simple everyday phenomenon, but there's a world of scientific wonder hidden in that teaspoon of sugar dissolving into your tea or coffee. Today, we delve into the fascinating process of sugar dissolving in water. Imagine dropping a teaspoon of sugar into a glass of water. As the sugar enters the water, it comes into contact with the water molecules. Each sugar crystal is made up of many tiny particles, and these particles are attracted to the water molecules. This is where the magic begins. The water molecules start to move around, colliding with the sugar particles. These collisions cause the sugar particles to break away from the crystal and mix with the water. This process, known in scientific terms as dissolution, is the first major step toward the sugar disappearing into the water. But the story doesn't end there. As the sugar particles break away and mix with the water, they also start to interact with the water molecules. This interaction causes the sugar particles to spread out and move randomly throughout the water, creating a sugar-water solution, or what you might more commonly know as syrup. Now, what happens if you keep adding more sugar? The solution becomes more concentrated, meaning there are more sugar particles mixed with the water. But there's a limit to how much sugar the water can hold. Reach this limit, and you've created a saturated solution. At this point, any additional sugar you add won't dissolve. It simply settles at the bottom of the container. Why? Because the water molecules are all busy holding on to the already dissolved sugar particles and can't take on any more. So, the system now consists of two separate substances: the saturated sugar-water solution and the undissolved sugar at the bottom. So, in summary, when sugar dissolves in water, it breaks down into individual particles that mix with the water molecules to form a solution. If you keep adding sugar, the solution becomes more concentrated until it reaches saturation, at which point any additional sugar won't dissolve. The process of sugar dissolving in water is a prime example of how solubility works. It's a fundamental concept in chemistry and plays a crucial role in many aspects of our lives, from the food we eat and the beverages we drink to the medicines we take. So, the next time you stir sugar into your coffee, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of molecules happening right there in your cup. It's a small reminder of the fascinating world of science that exists in even the simplest of everyday actions.